If you've ever wondered how to save in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to save and export your Lucidchart document so you can download it in the format you need, whether that's for sharing, printing, or using it in another file. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into Lucidchart and open the diagram you want to save. Make sure you're inside the correct document before you start exporting, because the save and download options apply to the file you currently have open. Once your diagram is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the menu with the 3 horizontal lines. This is where Lucidchart keeps a lot of its document options. Click that menu, then hover over Export in the drop-down list. Lucidchart will show you different export and download options, and this is where you choose how you want to save your work. If your goal is to keep the layout exactly as it appears on the canvas, PDF is usually the best choice. PDF is great for printing, sharing, and preserving the spacing and design of your diagram. If you want your diagram as an image file, you can choose PNG or JPEG instead. These formats are useful if you want to insert the diagram into a presentation, a report, a website, or any other document where an image format works better. The option you choose depends on how you plan to use the file after downloading it. After selecting your file type, Lucidchart may open a settings window. This is where you can fine-tune the export before downloading. For example, you may see options to crop extra white space around the canvas, adjust image quality, or change how much of the diagram gets included in the file. Take a moment to review these settings, especially if you want the exported file to look clean and professional. If you're exporting a large diagram, these settings become even more important. Cropping the white space can help keep the file neat, while choosing the right quality setting can help balance file size and clarity. For most users, the default options will work fine, but it's always a good idea to double check before you continue. Once everything looks good, click Download. Lucidchart will save the file to your computer's default downloads folder, and from there you can move it, rename it, upload it, or share it wherever you need. If you don't see the file right away, open your downloads folder and look for the most recently downloaded document. And that's it. That's how to save in Lucidchart by exporting your diagram in the format that works best for you. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to share your work or use it outside of Lucidchart. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.